So in this video we're going to have a look at setting up the alerts. We have our multi-chart layout. Going to click on the top screen up here, open that up, 1 minute chart. So with the trend channel, the triangle alerts here, it's a simple process of setting up your crypto list, sorting it A to Z, and then start from the top. I'm going to go for the USDT pairs, and then I might do Bitcoin and Ethereum. So just start from the top, ADA, Cardano, open the chart. This is the 1 minute chart we have here. Go over to the trend channel, click the three dots, select the trend channel once per bar, make your selections here, and then go OK. Probably avoid the pop-up and the email, it's going to overwhelm you. I prefer to have them open-ended and just simply to show up in the alerts log so I can go in there when I'm ready and pick and choose. So then we just create, I think I've already created that. Open up the alerts, go to the clock over on the right. Just watch out because you've got two panels here. The alerts log down the bottom and then the alerts up the top. Now I just added ADA USD and I think I might have two. So if you think you've made a mistake, go to these three dots and select the current symbol only. And now I can see ADA dollar I have. I'm going to remove that. We'll come back to that. And I've got two of these in there, so I'm just going to remove one. Okay, ADA and then Atom USDT. I'm going to remove this one. We'll come back to that. This is the dots, and I'm not ready to do the dots yet. We need to have a look at that because there's some specific details that I need to discuss regarding the dots, these alerts here. So that's going to be another video. Work your way down, so just go over to the trend channel, click the alert, select the trend channel once per bar, and then once you've selected these and you've done one, just hit enter. Doge, click on the dots, go in here, trend channel alert once per bar, enter, and we're done. Don't forget though to come back and you need to untick current symbol to bring everything in, especially when you want them going off in here in the alerts log. So that's it for the range breakout signal or alert. Here you go, gets you in right at the beginning of the trend. Let's just scrunch that up. That's your alert, there it is, and look at that, beautiful. Now the dots, that's a whole other story, and I'll be dedicating a video specifically to these dots. There's a bit more involved with trading these. Okay, so that's the trend channel alert all set up now. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, as it really helps the YouTube algorithm recognize my YouTube channel, and that's important to me. Okay guys, have a great day. See you in the next video.